Do you feel like hanging off one of the world's tallest towers? Welcome to Toronto, home of the iconic CN Tower. If you're ready to risk death, defy gravity, get epic views, and feel the ultimate rush of almost dying, then keep on watching. Let's start with how to book the Edgewalk. Head on over to the CN Tower's official website and look for the Edgewalk page. From there, you can choose the date and time that works best for you. My advice is to keep an eye on the weather report and try and book it on a nice day. If you want to capture the golden hour or the city lights at night, book one of the sunset or evening slots. When you arrive at the CN Tower, you'll check in at the Edgewalk reception. Make sure you get there about 30 minutes early to fill out a waiver and prepare for the walk of your life. Safety is their #1 priority, so you'll be given a special jumpsuit, harnessed up to holy hell, and all of your equipment is triple checked by several members of staff. Your guides are fully trained to keep you safe. We had Ronnie the Lobster doing our walk, and she was really awesome. A short glass elevator ride up the tower, and you enter the control room, where you get your final briefing before being attached to the safety line. So what's it like stepping out onto the edge of the CN Tower? Well, prepare for your mind to be blown, because the first step is exhilarating. It's a bloody long way down, and it feels like the ground is trying to suck you into falling. You'll be walking around the entire circumference of the tower's main pod. That's 360 degrees of uninterrupted views of downtown Toronto, the islands, Lake Ontario, and beyond. If you come on a nice clear day, like it is today, you can see as far as Niagara Falls. It comes exactly as advertised. And here's the best part. Once you're out there, they'll give you specific challenges, including leaning back over the edge. That's right, you get to hang off the side of the tower with nothing but the city beneath your feet. The rush is pretty crazy.
But did you die?
Well, obviously not. There's no chance of anything bad happening to you, even if you're doing stupid stuff like this. It's a surreal feeling, but at all times you're perfectly safe. It's nice to know that you can safely live on the edge, quite literally. The whole walk takes about 30 minutes, and every moment and challenge is filled with excitement. Whether you're leaning forward with your arms out, walking along the edge, or just soaking in the views with your line mates, the experience is unforgettable. Shout out to my boy Tristan from New York, and Sheila, who's actually scared of heights. And don't worry about missing a moment. Your guides will capture photos and videos of the entire experience, so that you can relive the adventure afterwards or put it all over social media. You're not allowed your own recording devices, and they're pretty strict about that. Once you finish the walk, you'll head back inside the tower, and back down the elevator. You'll get a certificate to prove that you've completed the Edgewalk, a free video of your experience, and 2 printed photos. The free photos they give you are rather vanilla, so you can choose to buy the more exciting ones if you want to. And of course you're going to buy them. They're awesome, so just pay them money and they can send them to you digitally. Boy, these guys really know how to make money off you. Your experience comes with a free ticket to go up the CN Tower as a normal pedestrian, with access to the observation deck and the top level. This costs $60 anyway, so I'm glad you get this free as part of the package. Overall, whether you're a local looking for a new way to experience Toronto, or you just want an adventure, the Edgewalk is hands down the coolest thing you can do in the city. It's thrilling, it's safe, and it's an unforgettable way to see Toronto. Definitely add this to your own ultimate bucket list. Okay Nin, I'm sold. What do I need to do? Well, you need to come here to the CN Tower in Toronto. Head on over to the CN Tower's official website, book your Edgewalk online, and try and pick a day where the weather reports say that it's sunny. Weather is obviously not guaranteed, but the nicer it is, the better your experience. Prices typically range from about $200 Canadian. Whilst it might seem pricey, trust me, spend the money. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I think it's worth every penny. It costs around $60 just to go up the tower anyway, so for the extra $140 or so, you might as well go up and hang off the damn thing. You'll get a video of your experience and 2 free photos. My advice is if you like the other photos, and they are cool, buy the digital copies of those as well. Is there anything else I need to know? Yes. You must arrive 30 minutes prior to your allocated time in order to go through security, sign your waiver and get suited up, etc. When you reach the queue, let a member of staff know that you're doing the Edgewalk, and they'll let you jump the line and go straight through to security. The first time I arrived, it was incredibly foggy and I couldn't see the top of the tower, which means that if you go up there, you won't be seeing anything. I asked if I could change the dates and they kindly obliged. This isn't guaranteed, so please bear this in mind. Speaking of which, in cases of bad weather and storms, they can and will cancel your Edgewalk at short notice. They will give you the option of rescheduling it, because you really don't want to be struck by lightning whilst you're up there. It kinda hurts. If you're scared of heights and or have a tendency to pee yourself when you're scared, this might not be for you, mainly because any wet patches on your crotch will show up on the photos. And finally, check out my complete Toronto City Guide right here, the most useful travel guide on YouTube to help you enjoy the best that this city has to offer. Special thanks to Ronnie the Lobster, my boy John, and everyone at the Edgewalk team for an awesome day, and don't forget to share this video if you want people to see how mental this is. Subscribe for more epic adventures from around the world, and I'll see you in the next episode.
Head back inside. If you had a good time, give me a high five. If you didn't, I'm not offended. I'll work on it. I'll get better jokes.
Fantastic,
Good job.
Thank you.
Great job. Here at Edgewalk at the CN Tower in Toronto, Canada. And remember to keep living life on the edge.